Chapter 6 gives a short demonstration of Throughbeam sensors using the GR18 as an example. With a Throughbeam system, the sender and the receiver are separated into two different housings. The sender transmits a continuous light beam to the receiver, and as soon as this light beam is blocked, the output of the receiver sensor will switch. Align the sensor to the receiver and the receiver to the sender. Select the position so that the red emitted light beam hits the receiver at the center of the receiver's lens. Using white paper or a reflector as an alignment aid will help. A well-aligned Throughbeam system offers the capability to reach higher sensing ranges and higher functional reserve compared to a reflex or proximity sensor. This allows the use for very long distances or in dirty and rough environments. Another advantage is the precise leading edge detection with high repeat accuracy and the capability to detect even smallest objects over the whole distance, no matter if the object is close to the sender or close to the receiver. Use the potentiometer to adjust the system's sensitivity. If long range or high functional reserve is needed, go for the maximum distance. If, for example, small objects need to be detected, reduce the range until the object is detected. Keep in mind that operating reserve is then reduced as well.